Well, good afternoon. We're here to have some fun. And the following is strictly for your enjoyment and ours too.
That was a big one.
Howdy, gang. We're the boys from SealRyt. We're just so worn out from dealing with all the technical stuff and all the serious testing we do and everything else, and we just decided to come here and have a little bit of fun. You know, a little while ago, a fella asked me, he says, "You talk so highly of this bearing material of yours, I want to know, is it bomb-proof?" We'll find out. So we took a standard PackRyt right off the shelf, hot glued it to a board. And in the center of that, we put some stump eliminator. If we make a good shot, why, we'll get the testing we think we need. As our accelerator, we're going to use a 22 Magnum rifle. It's a snappy little round, and this was made by Magnum Research, United States made, same people who brought you the Desert Eagle. So it's got a carbon fiber barrel, semi-automatic, etc. And it's a tack driver, let me tell you. But here's the round right here. I think I got one spare one right there. So that's what you're looking at. This is a 45 grain FTX Hornady Critical Defense. So that's what's going to come down the pipe.
That was a big one.
Well, folks, I guess the answer is pretty clear. Almost, not quite. No big chunks missing or whatever. No worse than we get back. Yeah, well. Well, folks, there you go. It's SealRyt having some fun. Hope you enjoyed it. But you got to help me out here and tell me how I tell Mom we ain't getting any eggs tonight.